is midstream, like this one. This box is 2 pieces midstream in one box. Have a look. This is a finished product. You can buy a plastic model from us. You also can buy a finished product from us. Because for these products, we have for maybe you want to know what certification you have. We have CE certification, ISO certification. We have sold a pregnancy test, ovulation test in European countries many years, and produce some famous brands, local famous brands. In UK, in Germany, in France, and in Spain, many different countries. We also supply to South American countries, South Asia countries. So if you need a finished products, you also can buy from us.